are like the miracles of the previous prophets, means confined to time and certain area. And the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ had also with Quran, as he said, لَن يَفْتَرِقَ, his holy progeny, Ahlul Bayt, because he himself said, لَن يَفْتَرِقَ, they will never be, and their sayings and their acts are also a miracle which needs to be studied. We need to understand the greatness of the miracles of Quran, which are uncounted, and also with the Quran, the Ahlul Bayt who explained the meaning of Quran after the Prophet. And after the Prophet, no one can understand Quran, but only those who take the knowledge from the real source of knowledge, who are Ahlul Bayt, who got the real tafsir and got the real sunnah and the real knowledge of Islam. All Muslims are invited to focus on these two ثقلين, as you read in the Sahih of Tirmidhi